Hey everybody, Scott with RHR Swag, and if you want a entry-level, economic to own, soft roll-up cover, the Access TonnoSport tonneau cover is it. As you can see, it looks really, really nice. How it works is you would drop the tailgate. It's got a trigger latch here that you pull and it releases, and you can roll it up all the way to the front of the bed. And it stores with these quick storage straps. It has adjusters at the front so you can fine-tune your cover tension. As you can see from the rails, compared to the original Access roll-up cover, of course the original Access roll-up cover has a 45-degree angle here, so the rails look slicker and they're also black. These are just silver anodized rails. And you have 3 clamps on each side to hold the cover on there, and it's a low profile design. It's kind of, again, it's a budget model. You have heavy duty vinyl double coated tarp. Bows are built right up into them, and when you close it, you just bring it over, you make sure you get it into the string here, and it latches one side. It's not as nice as the Access, the more expensive Access covers. It gets a little glitchy sometimes with this kind of latching system. And then it has 2 slide locks that you can manually lock each side, and then you run your hand down the sides to seal the Velcro. And of course on this model, for the side sealing, you get an inch Velcro, and so versus the nicer models have 1.5 inches. It has a vinyl seal here for the tailgate area as well as in the front. As you can see, it mounts on the inside of the bed, so your stake pockets can still be used for like the Atarac truck rack or bed rails, those kind of things. And it is an economic model, so it's a 1/2 inch profile. And again, the side sealing system is 1 inch, and it is American made. Join us at rhrswag.com.